All right, so here's a look at the game Spikeball. Now, we've got this set up here in the backyard just to kind of show you what it looks like, but the best place to play this is probably going to be somewhere that you can easily jump and dive. So somewhere like a park or at the beach. Those are like two of the most common places to play this. So the way it works is you're going to have these balls, and these are going to be kind of like a rubberized inflatable ball. You can increase the inflation on here, and the way that you test out to make sure it's inflated enough and that the net is tight enough is you just want to kind of drop it from shoulder height, and it's going to bounce to your knee. So you can see there it is. It bounced to my knee, and now I know that this is inflated and this is springy enough. Now, if you first set this up and you feel like this is kind of loose, it's nice because you could easily just grab underneath, pull it tighter, and then you'll have a tighter net on top of here. It's also going to come with 3 different balls, so you can see here, just in case if you lose them, you got 3 ready to go. And the way this game works is you're going to have 2 people. It's almost like volleyball, but instead of trying to hit it over the net, you're actually trying to hit it on the net. So you would go, one team would have 2 hits, the other team would have 2 hits. You go back and forth until someone's not able to get it back onto the net. So it's a super fun game to play, especially if you're out at the beach or at a park. It's a great game for 4 people to play. You could also kind of play it with 2 people. It's not like the official way to play, but you still can play back and forth, and it could be fun. But it is more fun with 4 people because you're able to get basically all the way around the net. Now, setting it up is really easy. It's just got these half rounded pieces here, which are these black bars on the side. Then it's got the yellow stand pieces, and they just kind of snap into each other. And then you're going to pull this net over the top and underneath, and there's hooks here at the bottom. And then you're basically all set up. Just make sure the balls are inflated, and you're pretty much ready to play. So if you're looking to try out Spikeball, play a new game, or even get a game for your kids, then I would definitely recommend picking this up.